Set the perfect ambiance. Candle making hacks for a cozy home. In this YouTube chapter, you will discover some amazing tips and tricks on how to make candles. Candle making is a fun and creative hobby that anyone can enjoy. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, these tips will help take your candle making skills to the next level. Firstly, choosing the right wax is crucial for successful candle making. There are various types of wax available, such as soy wax, beeswax, and paraffin wax. Each type has its own unique qualities and benefits. For example, soy wax is eco-friendly and produces a clean burn, while beeswax gives a lovely natural scent. Experimenting with different waxes will help you find the one that suits your needs best. Secondly, adding fragrance oils or essential oils to your candles can enhance their scent and create an inviting atmosphere. It's important to choose high-quality oils specifically designed for candle making. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. If you would like more information about candle making, and subscribe to our mailing list for updates and special offers via the link in the description.